Hello students, I am Leila Serikova, your English teacher. Welcome to our English lesson. Students, look at these 8 pictures. Try to guess our topic for today. I think you have already guessed what the topic of the lesson is. Today, we are going to talk about the household chores. Are chores tasks you do at home? Yes, they are. Do people do household chores regularly? Yes, they do. What is the synonym of chores? Housework. Listen. Chores. Chores. Repeat after me. Chores. Chores. What part of speech is it? It's a noun, usually used in plural form. How do you spell this word? C H O R E S. Chores. Well done. So students, today by the end of the lesson you will be able to enlarge your vocabulary about the household chores, to be aware of household chores in your family, to develop writing and speaking skills about household chores likes and dislikes. Students, now look at the words and match them with 8 pictures. For example, picture number 1. Water the plant. Now students, match other words and pictures. Now, let's check together. So, picture number 1. Water the plant. Picture number 2. Take out the rubbish. Picture number 3. Sweep the floor. Picture number 4. Do the washing. Picture number 5. Do the washing up. Picture number 6. Iron the clothes. Picture number 7. Mop the floor. Picture number 8. Make the bed. Listen, read and repeat the words. Water the plant. Take out the rubbish. Sweep the floor. Do the washing. Do the washing up. Iron the clothes. Mop the floor. Make the bed. Now, let's have a test with these words. What's number 1? Water the plant. What's number 6? Iron the clothes. What's number 4? Do the washing. What's number 8? Make the bed. What's number 5? Do the washing up. What's number 7? Mop the floor. What's number 3? Sweep the floor. What's number 2? Take out the rubbish. Okay, now, students, I need your help to complete the phrases with the correct verb. Water. Water the plant. Picture number 1. Make. Make the bed. Picture number 8. Mop. Mop the floor. Picture number 7. Do. Do the washing. Picture number 4. Iron. Iron the clothes. Picture number 6. Sweep. Sweep the floor. Picture number 3. Do. Do the washing up. Picture number 5. Take. Take out the rubbish. Picture number 2. So, today we have learned 8 phrases about the household chores. Now, students, let's use these 8 phrases in sentences, talking about the household chores in our families. But first, let's remember adverbs of frequency. Look at the line with 0 to 100%. 100% is always. Always. 0% is never. Never. So now, let's move from always to never. After always, the adverbs are usually, usually, often. Another pronunciation is often. Often, often. Sometimes, sometimes. Hardly ever, hardly ever. There is an example for you. I always leave home early, so I am never late for school. Where are the adverbs of frequency in this sentence? Always and never. We use adverbs of frequency before the main verb. For example, I always leave homework early, but after the verb to be. For example, I am never late for school. Now, students, look at Maxim and Alina and their family. Grandma and grandpa, grandparents. Dad and mom, their parents. Their sister and their brother. Look at the pictures and make up sentences using the adverbs of frequency. Their grandma usually waters the plant. Their grandpa never sweeps the floor. Their mom often irons the clothes. Their dad sometimes takes out the rubbish. Their sister always mops the floor. Their brother hardly ever does the washing. Maxim doesn't often do the washing up. Alina often does the washing up. They always make the bed together. They never iron. This was the story about household chores in Maxim and Alina's family. Now, to talk about likes and dislikes about the household chores, we need to use some phrases. I love, I like, I don't mind, I don't like, I hate. Look at the pictures and make up sentences using likes and dislikes phrases. I love watering the plant. I love making the bed. What about the next picture? I like mopping the floor. I like doing the washing up. I don't mind doing the washing. I don't like taking out the rubbish. I hate sweeping the floor. So students, today we have learned some vocabulary about the household chores. So students, today we have learned some vocabulary about the household chores. And your homework is to answer the following questions. What household chores do you do? What household chores do you like doing and why? What household chores don't you like doing? Why not? Okay, students, now we are going to watch a video of Craig Gray that named Dial Direct the Notebook. While watching, you have to do some assignments. So, let's start.
Hi, baby. Hello? Yeah, now's not a good time. Yeah.
Well, the light shivers offshore through the tides of...
So, the first question is, we have to choose the correct answer for this sentence. He is cleaning the plates, he is washing, or he is washing up the dishes. I think the correct answer about the household chores is he is washing up the dishes. Yes, bingo! This is the correct answer. Let's continue our watching.
Tides of oceans, we are shining in the rising sun.
we have to put the words in the correct order. The words are floor, is, mopping, he, the. So, I think the correct sentence is: he is mopping the floor. Let's check. Yes, bingo! This is the correct answer. Let's continue.
as we are.
We have to find the wrong word and correct it. So, there is a sentence: he is doing the bed. If you look at the picture and remember our lesson's material today, we've discussed the phrase that was to make the bed. So I think the wrong word here is doing. And the correct answer should be: he is making the bed. Let's check. Yes, bingo! This is the correct answer. Let's continue.
As we are floating in the blue, I am softly walking.
Here we have a sentence: he is took out the rubbish, or he is took out the trash. Rubbish and trash are synonyms. The task is find the extra word. We have one subject he and we have two verbs: is, took. Is present simple, took past simple. So about the rubbish, we learned the phrase take out the rubbish. So I think that extra word here is. Now let's check. Yes, bingo! This is the correct answer. Let's continue.
Softly watching you, above your eyes.
Now, there is a question: what is he doing? And there are the variants of answers. He is doing the wash, he is doing the laundry, he is cleaning the clothes. Together today, we learned the word do the washing. But here, in sentence number 1, the phrase is he is doing the wash. So I think this is not the correct answer. We have two more sentences. He is doing the laundry and he is cleaning the clothes. So I think that laundry and clothes, these are synonyms. So the correct answer is he is doing the laundry. Okay, bingo, this is the correct answer. Let's continue.
Above your eyes betray what burns inside you.
We have to complete the sentence. His what household chores we have learned about this picture? I think this is iron the clothes. So my answer is he is ironing the clothes. Let's check. Bingo, this is the correct answer. Let's continue.
Whatever I feel for you, you only seem to care about you. Is there any chance?
What is he doing? And there are three variants. He is mopping the floor, he is sweeping the floor, he is vacuuming the floor. So, if we choose the variant he is mopping the floor, we usually use water to mop the floor. If we choose the variant he is vacuuming the floor, we use the vacuum cleaner. But in this picture, there is no water and there is no vacuum cleaner. So, I think the correct answer is he is sweeping the floor. Yes, bingo. Let's continue.
Chance you could see me too, 'cause I love.
We have to put the words in the correct order to make a good sentence. The words are the dog, the feeding boy is. So, we need to start our sentence with the subject. The dog feeding or the boy feeding. In the picture, we can understand that feeding, this is to give food. So I think the boy is feeding the dog. Let's check. Yes, bingo, this is the correct answer. Now we continue.
I love you. Is there anything I
Now we need to find a wrong word. He is mopping the floor. No, because he is using a vacuum cleaner. So I will choose as a wrong word the word mopping. Now I should type here the correct answer. He is using a vacuum cleaner. So I think the correct answer will be he is vacuuming the floor. He is vacuuming the floor. Let's check. Yes, bingo, this is the correct answer. Let's continue.
could do just to get some attention from you? In the ways I've lost every trace
Noah?
of you. Where are you? Where are you?
Where have you been?
I've been saving you time so you can come to my play.
Whatever I feel for you, you only seem to care about you. Is there any chance you could see me too?
We know how precious every minute is,
I love you.
so we won't waste any of yours.
If you think about this video, I like it very much because it teaches students to help their parents. If we help our parents have more time to spend with us. If we work together helping each other, it's much more fun. So, think, how did you help your parents today about the household chores? Okay, students, that's all for today. Thank you for your participation. See you next lesson.